Bohol Mixed Media, not Plantorama. Nagkamali po ako, Plantorama ang nasabi ko, pero it's just like Plantorama, pero this time, meron silang mga iba't ibang mga products like Handicrafts. It is stated here on the tarpaulin na meron silang iba't ibang mga handicrafts at saka yung mga accessories na gawa sa kamay. Yun na nga, handicrafts. And it is arts, handicrafts, and ornamental class. Okay? Bohol Mixed Media ang tawag. And then, September 27 to October 2, 2021, ICM Activity Center, 8:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Wow, hanggang 7:30 p.m. daw sila bukas. Okay? So, let us see the products inside. They have pots and handicrafts like this, where you can put your pots. Ito, pwedeng patungan sa table ng mga pots ninyo or babies. Pwedeng ito, look at this. This is only 150 pesos, the handicrafts, guys. Ang ganda. It is well, oh my God. Handicraft. It is 150 only per piece. And they have this bigger, 175. Very nice, very elegant, very well done. And then another design is like this. Look at this, 175. And this one.
Surprise!
Wow! May surprise pa that. This is our dynamic organizer. Ma'am Lynn Tutor. Oh my God, she's very sweet, ma'am. Thank you so much. My God, bouquet of flowers, very beautiful. Picture tayo, please. Picture nga kami, please, Marco. Another design is like this, 190. Look at this. Ang daming design, nakakaiba-ibang design na nakakaaya sa mata. And then they have also this one. Ito yung pinaglalapagan ng mga baso, pag uminom. Maliliit na ganito na circle. Meron din silang ibang design like this. I don't know the name of this store. But they have here. Look.
Tapos pag Plantorama nag-video ulit sa pagkaan.
Oo.
Ano?
Oo. Sige. And then they have also this one. Pwede mong paglapagan ng plato mo ng fruit or cheese and fruit. And they have here the placemat. Oh, ang ganda. Placemat nyo para sa mga anak nyo ang ganda. And this one, ito yung Manglaw Home Furnishing Alma Bonita Esterado. Like that. Kita mo? And the services, ayan, you see? Pwede nyo silang tawagan. At dito sa kabilang panig ay nandito yung Javelin. Oh my God. Ito yung minomodel ko na earrings na nakita nyo sa Facebook, guys. Javelin. Ito ay pag-aari ng organizer natin. Si Ma'am Lynn Tutor nandito. At ang dami niyang mga designs na ang gaganda. Bohol Products. Bohol Products na ang gaganda. Ayan o, Javelin.
Sit-it.
Ayan.
Mahogany. Tapos handicraft yung kawayan.
Oh, native products lahat, handicrafts.
Nito, mga nito.
Mga nito.
Katigbi.
Oh.
From katigbian.
Ang ganda katigbian.
Dapat nating tapos bagol. Yan yung mga ball product ba?
Oo, mga, ayan o, coconut shells. Bagol. Gawa sa bagol, ang ganda, very elegant, oh. Cute, no? Gawa sa bagol. At sa ginagawa ni Ma'am Lynn na business na ito, ang dami niyang natutulungan. Iba't ibang towns ang nag-contribute dito sa mga materials for them to use to create item. Luway tribo. Ang nagagawa nito sa luway.
Bigyan kita ng katigbi. Ilagay mo dyan sa ano mo.
Ang singan? Katigbi?
Katigbi seeds.
Katigbi. Binigyan na naman ako!
Anong tawag dito? Christmas holder.
Face mask.
Yan. para hindi malaglag.
Oh, face mask holder, meron dito. Meron sa kanya. Magkano ito, ma'am?
50.
50 lang.
Oh, ito,
Oh.
mga Bohol product na.
Ayan oh, face mask holder. Ang ganda. You can buy here.
Support Bohol product.
Support Bohol products para makatulong tayo sa mga katutubo.
May mga kawayan, no?
Kawayan, may
Bamboo.
bagol, may bamboo, mayroong ano pangalan ito?
Handicraft na
Kawayan, bamboo, uway. What is the English of uway? I don't know. And then this one. At meron pa silang mga purses sila like this. Wow! Ang ganda, no? Native, ha? Ang dami mabibili dito kay Ma'am Nin. At saka yung earrings niya, gusto ko, tingnan nyo. See? Tingnan mo naman ang mga earrings. Very elegant, very nice designs. Ito, meron ako nito. Binigay niya. Meron ako yan. Ayan, ang gaganda ng designs. Ang cute eh. O, ayan, o. Ayan. Lipat tayo. At marami yung mga wow, mga paintings, ha. Ayan, o. Merong tarsier. Ang ganda ng pagkakuha. Naman ito. Ducks escape, oh. Bahay kubo. Ganda nito. Ano naman? Postcards. Wow. Postcards meron sila, oh. Ayan, painted. Na mga postcards. Ang ganda. Iba't iba. Oh. Wow. Wow, ang gaganda. Pwede mong ilagay sa frame. Lagay mo na sa wall. Ayan na. Display mo na. Dito yung original, ha. Hindi ito Xerox copy or photocopy. This is original copy. Basta nag-case. Sa pintor. Wow, may mask. Face pop 1. Ang ganda. Bohol Pop ang tawag sa kanila. Bohol Contemporary Art Group. Galing naman nila. Guwapa kayo siya sa kung ano. At kung party ninyo, guwapa kayo. Naka-yellow.
Sana na to.
Ha?
Sana na to.
Nanggaw, nunta ka, no?
Actually, subo ko ba na ganun ka to ito na no, mamulak-lak pa daw ang ama. Tagabang ka daw kipul.
Ano ba yan?
Sana.
Mabuti kayo na.
Sana
Mabuti ka sa
nakapano.
amang kalipay.
Oo, Jud.
Ano kalipay?
Iisa ko lang ko na pang anak. Ina rama, guwapa ma, hindot.
Bagay mo, bagay tayo.
Nagpipingin din hindi na burangis na.
Dauroy, putuman ka na, burang-burang. Diba? Kasi di ka burang-burang. Magmasikon ka.
Yes ma.
Oo na.
Kita blooming,
Iba
no?
nila nga kung hindi. Tagang nag-atiguwang o gasiling, kung bitawat na nila nga atiguwang na sila, naglingkod na lang, naglukmok. Oo, mamatay yung galit. Hindi naman mura ng blood sa game.
Pero kanong ma-stress sila, no?
Ilang yan happiness.
Happy lang po. Ay, stress pa ang mundo. Niya, stress pa ta.
Happy na siguro yan. Short ka baka ayaw ang smart. Diba? Hindi yan hindi. Ngayon nilang nagkantong sa usaya ng mga politiko. Pura bang hasta. Ilang ko mabili ko ng
All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, to all the shoppers of Island City Mall. Right here at Island City Mall Activity Center is a Bohol mixed media, arts, handicrafts, and ornamental plants exhibition and sale. We'll be right here, starting today up until October 2021, from 8:30 in the morning until 7:30 in the evening. And we have a lot of
Ingon si Mama, sino Mayo ha, manimong kamot ma'am, oy. Very, very nice. Ano na yung pagkonsumo mo?
Yes.
Ay, pinamda.
Actually, 10K akong price ano pa pero reversible na.
Negotiable. Wow, ang ganda ng gawa nun. Sa'yo nga mo, ma'am.
Sylvia Gonser.
Gonser?
Gonser, ma'am.
Gonser?
Gonser.
Gonser, okay. Si ma'am, asa tingnan ko?
Sylvia Gonser.
Si Ma'am Sylvia Gonser, siya ang naghimo niya ni. She is the painter. Siya ang gumawa nitong painting na ito na ang ganda-ganda. Sim ng string na suki ko sa plant. Ay sinabi niya, yan. Yan ang gumawa niyan. Ang ganda-ganda. Kasi para siyang 3D eh. Oh? Wow naman ang ganda.
Thank you.
God given. Kay grateful tayo kay God. Ang galing mo. Wow, ang ganda oh. Ay, nandito ang pangalan ng anak ko. And then I will be the one to cut the ribbon for today. So, Bansi board member Franz Garcia.
This is my Facebook. Sylvia Gonser. This is my Facebook profile.
Galing mo naman man. All mine is this. Yung YouTube ko. Ay, kasulat na ako. Ito ang Facebook ko. Ito lang.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Bohol Mixed Media, Arts,
Nice
Handicrafts, and
Thank you, ma'am. Nice meeting you. I met a very good painter. Oh my God. Magiging popular si ma'am. Tangkilikin natin ang kanyang gawa. Ang galing niya.
I spent 6 years pa in painting kasi
Ha?
6 years pa ako
Ah,
nag-paint.
6 years.
Explain a therapy when I got my knee, Alec, nag-balik ko siya.
Nasa?
I have a bone disease.
Ah, okay.
So,
Bakula.
6 years ago, before I started painting, I am a businesswoman also. I used to supply janitorial chemicals for the resorts here. But then, after my leg was broken, so I stopped at I trained myself.
Very nice.
Because of this, I was able to attend the national exhibit in Manila, National Commission for Arts, last 2029. There are only 19 Boholano artists selected for that
Oh
exhibit.
my God. Ang galing na anak ko. Very nice. Wow.
Thank you. Nice.
Isa lang yan. naman ito. Very creative ka, sir. Ang galing mo naman. Nasaan? Ha? Ay, mag-umpisa na raw kami ng rat. Later, sir. Surat mo yun eh. Kasi
Chicken?
Ha?
lang naman tayo.
Video mo. Video mo. Yan. Ang saan yan?
Kay na, pagkita.
Alright, for Bohol Mixed Media Exhibition and Sale, we are acknowledging the presence of our board member friends, Jolene Garcia de Venosa, from the 1st District Provincial Board Member and Provincial Government of Bohol. Okay, may we request everyone to please head on to the entrance area of our exhibit and sale. Let's have first the grand opening.
Ma'am Sylvia.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, to all the shoppers of Island City Mall, right here at the Island City Mall Activity Center is the Bohol Mixed Media for Arts, Handicrafts, and Ornamental Plants Exhibition and Sale. We have a lot of exhibitors for today, and to officially open our exhibition and sale, we have our special guests. Board member friends, Jolene Garcia de Venosa, the 1st District Provincial Board Member at Provincial Government of Bohol. We also got Maria Jean Salvado, a Bohol vlogger. Alright, they're ready to cut the ribbon. Now to officially open our Bohol Mixed Media Exhibition and Sale, please watch them. And to be joined also by the organizer, Miss Nina. Go! Ayan, congratulations! Our Bohol Mixed Media Exhibition and Sale is officially open. And I guess let's have some photo op first before proceeding inside. Picture muna, sino ba? Yeah. Okay, let's then over inside. So as I mentioned, there's a lot of art, handicrafts, and ornamental plants present here at the Island City Mall Activity Center. And speaking of having them right here, they're just not for display, but they are for sale. So if you want to have some art for your house, some ornaments for your house, or even some handicrafts to wear, then just buy them right here at the Island City Mall Activity Center. They will be, or there are, more than many exhibitors that have discounted prices on the things that are on display. Okay, before we proceed, let's have, or let's give first a token of appreciation to our special guests. So this token of appreciation is presented to board member friends Jolene Garcia de Venosa, whose presence during the opening ceremonies to support for the Bohol Mixed Media Exhibition and Sale, and greatly inspired the organizers, exhibitors, plantitas and plantitos, art handicrafts, who have committed themselves to making the environment cleaner and more beautiful with plants, arts and crafts, especially during this difficult time of the pandemic. Given this 27th day of September 2021 at the Island City Mall Activity Center, City of Tagbilaran, Bohol, Philippines, signed by Marilyn Oldemore, the organizer. Another token of appreciation is given to Maria Jean Salvado, a Bohol vlogger. Alright, thank you very much to our special guests for gracing us for the grand opening. And by the way, speaking of very special guests, since they are here to encourage all of our Boholanos for our arts, handicrafts, and ornamental plants, let's have a message from our special guests. Let's start first with our very VIP, andito na, ating board member.
Thank you so much sa atong host, and then of course I would like to congratulate everyone, ang atong organizers, si Ma'am Lynn, and sa all the artists of our province, ang mga Boholano artists, and sa ilang mga gihimo, especially karon na naatay pandemic. I've seen ever since na tanang way para ma-promote nila ilang product, ilang yung gibuhat. Because I've seen Ma'am Lynn with her kanang shop niya, kanang sa accessories sa Jewelin. I've seen her ever since nakalingkod ko sa province. So, nasa siya sa internet. I've seen her on Facebook. And daghan dyan din ano sa iyang product. It's so beautiful and it's local. And then at the same time, kaning Bohol Pop, I've been a follower sa Instagram, and then whenever they have exhibit online, mao dyan na ako gihuwat kay sige kong pangita o gindot na piece na ako idungan sa akong opisina. So, tanang arts na na ako sa akong office, it's because of the Bohol Pop. And then of course, the Panglao and the Plantitas, kay Bauta na at this time na daghan sa atong mga mama, atong mga tita na they're very fond of the plants right now. Bisag asa mo basta na plants, they will try their best na makakuha mga hangyo and of course kani panindutay dyan ng mga tanong sa karong panahon na na pandemic. So again, I would like to congratulate everyone sa inyong event, and then for keep on promoting the Bohol product, ang atong mga local products, because it's time now we should nakalimot ko sa word, and ato dyan i-promote and support our local entrepreneurs and our local artists. So again, I would like to thank you for inviting me, and for everyone na naadinhi, please keep on following the proper health protocol, face mask, face shield, social distancing, and proper hygiene. So, salamat kayo ninyong tanan. God bless o amping kanunay.
Alright, thank you very much, board member friends, Jolene Garcia de Venosa, and another token by Madam Lynn from Jewelin Products. And also, let's hear another message from our Bohol vlogger, Maria Jean Salvado.
Hi everyone, good morning. Nakakaya naman yung address na Bohol vlogger. Ang daming sikat dito eh. Anyway guys, sorry to speak in Tagalog because I am a vlogger. As a vlogger, this is worldwide, i-address natin sa lahat ng mga kapatid natin sa buong mundo, yung mga sinasabi ko dito sa vlog ko. So, I am here para doon sa word na nakalimutan ni Ma'am, support. But before everything else, I would like to thank and congratulate Ma'am Lynn Tutor, the ever dearest and dynamic organizer of this very important event na lagi-laging nakakatulong sa ating mga kapwa plantita. Itong mga artists natin, congratulations at ang gaganda ng mga ginawa nilang arts, and also the handicrafts, mga plantitas natin na hindi natin makakalimutan, lalong-lalo na sa ginawa nilang tulong ngayong pandemya. Dami nilang natulungan na yun ang hangat ko as bilang isang vlogger na nabigyan ng ang pangalan nun, higayon or chance or given the chance by Google to spread all my words to the world. Sa mga kapatid natin dyan, mga OFWs, we are here in Bohol and we have this event every time. And Ma'am Lynn Tutor, thank you so much. Okay? At saka, hindi ko na-mention, si Ma'am, board member, si Ma'am board member Franz Garcia. You know, Ma'am, hindi sa pagmamalaki, pero ninong ng papa ko, si President Garcia. Yeah, really, sincerely. Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone.
Alright, thank you very much. Please give them a big round of applause again for gracing us to this morning's grand opening. And of course, magpapahuli ba ang organizer herself from an inspiring words of wisdom or message, inspirational message, or yun nga, pagting supportive sa ating local artists and plantitos and plantitas. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to have or hand over the microphone to the organizer, Ma'am Lynn Tutor.
Maayong buntag sa tanan, mga plantitas, plantitos, artists, entrepreneurs, and mga kaibigan dyan. Okay. Bohol Mixed Media, first ever na-organize ko to. Thank you for our guest, PM Franz Garcia, our Bohol vlogger Maria Jane Salvado and her family, exhibitors, artists, entrepreneurs, plantitas and plantitos, buyers and friends, for always supporting us through your presence. Our exhibit is a new venture with Boholanos, featuring mixed media and original concept by yours truly to showcase individual hobbies, craftsmanship, and expertise. And of course, we are for inclusions without barriers sa mga plantitas, kung sino man o ano man kayo. I also thank Alturas Group of Companies, ICM, for letting us use this activity center. And para sa ating lahat, daghang salamat at to God be all the glory. At nagpapasalamat ako ang ating Bohol Mixed Media ay mag-start po today until Saturday. So, welcome po lahat ng mga nakikinig at mga sumusuporta sa ating mga advocacy sa Bohol. So, maraming salamat, Ma'am PM. Nandito yata ang iyong loving husband. Dapat nandito siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng upuan. And then, of course, si Ma'am Jane. Hindi ko siya napapasalamatan lagi, pero sabi ko naman sa nagpipim ako, next time pasalamatan. Kasi kayo Ilocano. So, naimbag ka aldaw, dagang salamat. Boholanos, mga iba't ibang mga nandito sa Bohol na minamahal nila ang Bohol. Maraming salamat and to God be all the glory. Thank you rin po sa ating MC ngayon.
Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was our grand opening for our Bohol Mixed Media Exhibition and Sale, where we are featuring arts, handicrafts, and also our ornamental plants. So please give everyone a big round of applause. Ayan. To all our viewers, thank you very much as well. So if you are having spare time while roaming around Island City Mall, please don't forget to drop by right here at the Island City Mall Activity Center. You might find the plant that you want. You might find the art that you need. And also, baka may makikita lang kayo mga handicraft dito na kailangan nyo para makompleto yung fashion statement for your everyday OOTD, diba? So again, this is our Bohol Mixed Media Exhibition and Sale from today up until October 2, 2021, from 8:30 in the morning up until 7:30 p.m. right here at the Island City Mall Activity Center. Alright? Thank you very much, everyone, and I hope you will be having a great shopping time. Speaking of having a great time, we have a lot of exhibitors, namely Panglao Home Furnishing by Alma Bonita Esterado, Let's Go Natural by Maria Mitchell Leones. We've got artists Jeffrey Ronald Sisikan and team. We've got Sam Penaso and team as well. We also have Ken Aurelia Neda. We've got another form of artist in the form of tattoos. We've got Bill Arcales. We've got Ornamentals. Rose Garden by Rosario Ortao. LJ Ornamental by Lizelle Coritico. Forest and Ornamentals Garden Supplies by Suzette Pareja. Garden of Eden by Eden Adele. Estrings Garden by Rosario Artamo. Foliage Garden by Father Felix Mora. M's Garden by Emalinda Agad. Rose Garden by Michael Jean Almiralles. Kaika Flower by Teresita El Pastan. Let's Fiber Pots by Lynn Adaza. And Green City by Ruthie Ala. So by the way, ladies and gentlemen, so since we are inside the premises of Island City Mall, let us please follow the minimum health and safety protocols observed by wearing your face masks properly, covering your nose down to your chin, wearing your face shields properly, not just to enter the mall. Kasi lipat-lipat rin yung mga security guard. But anyway, hope you guys will be having and enjoying, or you will enjoy your day. We still have a lot of days for you to decide what to buy from art, ornamentals, or handicraft. Kaya basig gaduduhan na mo or nabitin na inyong budget, basig mabuslot na inyong bulsa. So pili na, dali na. So hashtag support local. Once again, Bohol Mix Mia, exhibit and sale. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Handicrafts from jewelry by Bohol products. So speaking of jewelry, Bohol product handicraft maker turned into Planita. But anyway, just because of the pandemic, we don't really have much tourists coming into Bohol and buying these handicrafts or products made by jewelry. So it's your time to drop by right here to have your chance to make yourself a turista kahit wala no kanan. From necklaces to earrings right over here. Different styles, different kinds, a lot of colors to be exact. So, to complete, as I said a while ago, to complete your OOTD, di naman kailangan ng mga silver or gold kahit Boholano products or handicrafts lang ang kailangan nyo to complete your amazing look for the day. So speaking of look for the day, you can have as many jewelry products as you want, since there's a lot of it or a variety of the products present right here in the Island City Mall Activity Center. So if you want, usual, you know what is like on the tawag ito. But if you have a So it's up to your production statement as well. Again, a reminder of all, this is a change of, a change of plans, but imagine from being a handicraft maker into a plantita and bringing back the handicraft ideas to have it open to the local Boholanos as well, not just for tourists. And speaking of these handicrafts, Julin or Madam Leonor Before is the sponsor for the products of used by Mr.